Alright, this is my tutorial on prime numbers, math lesson 90. Big thing with prime numbers is remember what a prime number is. A prime number is any number that only has two factors, and those factors are going to be 1 and itself. So I took the liberty of writing out all of the factors. In other words, what times what equals that particular number, or another way you can think of it as what number divides evenly into that number. So 1 only has one factor, so we would know that that's not prime, because a prime number has two factors, 1 in itself. 2 is a prime number because the factors are 1 and 2, so it has two factors, 1 in itself. 3 has two factors, 1 and 3, so we know that that's a prime number. 4 would not be prime because it has more than two factors. 5 is going to be prime because it has two factors, 1 in itself. 6 is not prime because it has more than two factors. 7, of course, we see it has two factors, 1 in itself, so that's a prime number. 8, not prime, it has more than two factors. 9, not prime, has more than two factors. 10, definitely not prime, it's got four factors there. 11 is prime, it only has two factors, 1 in itself. 12, of course, lots of factors. 13, prime, because it only has two factors. 14, not prime. 15, not prime. 16, not prime. 17 is prime because it only has two factors. 18, definitely not prime, a lot of factors there. 19, prime. 20, not prime, definitely a lot of factors in there. So remember, it's really simple. Prime numbers are any number that has only two factors. So I did 1 through 20, and of course to figure out if any numbers are prime, you would just simply list out the factors. Now you don't have to get every single factor to figure out if it's prime or not. A quick way is just see if it only has two factors. So if you find 3 and you know that they have more, you don't have to find them all. You're just checking to see, does this number only have two factors? And if it does, then it's a prime number.